Back to last night, we had just a ton of rain in parts of central Iowa, mainly north and west of Des Moines. Some of the measurements out in Boone County over to Story County, over 4 inches of rainfall just last night alone. And that did lead to some flooding problems. Meteorologist Dave Downey is live in Ames this afternoon. And Dave, what are you seeing out there right now?
Yeah, Taylor, like you said, a lot of rain last night, 4, 5, even just over 5 inches in some place. It's having an impact here in Story County. We're here at the River Valley Park in Ames. I'm going to have our photographer, Mike Simmons, just kind of pan you around and show you what we're seeing here. There's a big log being taken down on the river right now. There's a bench down there, too. It was totally submerged when we got here. Now it looks like it's just floating. Another sign back there, halfway submerged, the water getting into the sidewalks here. So definitely higher than it should be right now. It's in minor flood stage. This is the highest the river has been since March of 2018. It'll crest in the next hour or so, but it's high level, definitely prompting flood warnings. A couple different flood warnings in effect this evening. Those will likely be allowed to expire as the evening wears on, because as we said, the river cresting now. It'll start to go down overnight tonight. 22.7 feet is its forecast crest this evening, and then like we said, it'll be coming down after that. You can really see it jump in terms of the water level overnight last night from 12 feet all the way up to close to 23 feet. It's almost doubled its water level in just under 24 hours. The last time it was in major flood stage back in 2008, but like we said, the good news is it'll be receding tonight with the dry pattern ahead. These waterlogged areas in Boone and Story County will get some much needed rain relief. We're live in Ames. Dave Downey, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
Dave, thank you. Striking to see those water levels. Of course, don't forget to stay on top of any weather this summer. Use your phone and scan the QR code here to download the We Are Iowa app. And our weather team will keep you and your family up to date on all the latest forecasts. Just turn on the notifications so you always know what to expect.